Hello and welcome to Tommy Toucan. Bam, right there he is. Look at that beak. That is cool, huh? Hey, this is an on your own problem. So you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Tommy Toucan eats a variety of fish, lizards, frogs, and snakes. Today, he ate 4 less than a number of snakes, times 5, plus 6 times a number of lizards. Wow, that's a lot. Hey, let X represent the snakes and lizards that Tommy Toucan ate. And your challenge is to write an expression that represents the short story about Tommy Toucan right over here, my friends. All right, so first of all, you should have written this entire paragraph because you need all of the words so that you can pull the expression out of the words. Perfect. Bam. Next, you need to highlight the words that make up the expression. So we got today he ate 4 less than a number of snakes and times 5 plus 6 times a number of lizards. So let's go ahead and highlight the parts that need to be highlighted. So we've got 4 less than a number, right? And a number is going to always be your variable part, right? Of snakes, right? Times 5, right? So we're going to just do that right there. And then we've got another one, and I'm going to do this in a different color. Then you've also got 6 times a number, and the a number part is your variable of, and that's of lizards, right? So you've got 4 less than a number times 5, and you got 6 times a number. Bam! We just need to put those two things together. Now, if I have 4 less than a number, that means my variable is going to be first, right? So I'm going to take that variable, and in this case, I'm told that I'm using x as my variable. So in this case, I'm going to have x, and now it's 4 less than that number, that variable of x, and I'm going to make this x a little better, right? So then I've got to subtract 4 because 4 less would be minus, right? So minus 4. But then I've got 5 times this entire section, right? So I'm going to actually put this in parentheses, and I've got 5 times the quantity of x minus 4, right? So I've got 4 less than a number right here, and that all gets multiplied by 5. Bam. Then I've got a plus. Oh, and I didn't highlight that, did I? That also needs to be highlighted, so I'm going to make that plus there. And now I'm coming back here, and I've got to add the plus, and now I've got 6 times a number, right? So, and remember, our number is going to be our variable, which in this case is going to be represented with x, right? So 6 times x, and I can just put 6x, right? And now what's cool about this is anytime you have a number right next to parentheses, it means multiply. And anytime you have a number right next to your variable, it also means multiply. And bam, right here it is, my friends. This is how you should have written the expression for these words right here. So let's go ahead and just read this. I can't even say it. I don't want to read this, right? 5 times the quantity of x minus 4 plus 6x. And that's what should be written on your paper, my friends. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.